Hey everyone, Xiaomi is raising the bar yet again with the imminent launch of the Redmi Note 14 Pro and Pro Plus, and its newest addition is a warranty program dubbed the King Kong Guarantee Service. Known for offering value-packed devices, Xiaomi's latest move further demonstrates its commitment to protecting consumers' investments. Let's take a closer look at what this service entails, and why it could be a game-changer. The first standout feature of the King Kong Guarantee is a 1-year coverage against accidental water damage. Water ingress isn't typically included in standard warranties, so this offers added peace of mind for consumers prone to spills or drops in water. Should you crack the screen within the first year, Xiaomi is offering a free replacement. For those who have experienced the heartbreak of shattered glass, this could be a huge benefit, especially given the increasing costs of display repairs. Xiaomi will also cover damage to the battery cover for a year. While not as flashy as the other protections, it's useful for people who frequently drop their phones. Perhaps the most striking feature of the King Kong Guarantee is the 5-year battery warranty. If your battery's health drops below 80% during this period, Xiaomi will replace it for free. This is an impressive offer, especially considering that most smartphone batteries start to show significant degradation after 2 to 3 years of use. Lastly, there's a 365-day replacement clause. If your phone experiences hardware failure within the first year, Xiaomi will replace it with a brand new unit, rather than opting for a repair. This is a strong incentive, as many manufacturers choose to repair devices rather than offering replacements. The King Kong Guarantee sounds like a top-tier service, but there is a cost. Early reports suggest that it may require a one-time payment of around $85 to activate. While that's a bit extra, the overall value of the guarantee, especially with the battery coverage and hardware replacement, makes it an appealing option for those who want added protection. The King Kong Guarantee includes features typically reserved for premium flagship devices, such as accidental damage protection and extended battery warranties. By offering these protections on a mid-range device like the Redmi Note 14 Pro series, Xiaomi is setting itself apart from competitors. These types of warranties are often seen as luxury add-ons for high-end models, so it's refreshing to see this trickle down to more affordable phones. Whether or not this extra protection is worth the cost largely depends on your habits as a user. If you tend to drop your phone often or use your device in environments prone to accidental damage, such as around water, the King Kong Guarantee could be a no-brainer. On the other hand, users who are meticulous about phone care may find the basic warranty sufficient. The Redmi Note 14 Pro and Pro Plus are slated for a September 26 debut, bringing robust appearances and impressive durability. Both models will boast IP68 and IP69 ratings, making them resistant to extreme heat, dust, and water exposure. This, paired with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the screen, suggests Xiaomi is putting a big emphasis on toughness and longevity. Additionally, there's a difference in appearance between the two models. The Pro will feature a colored camera island, while the Pro Plus will come with a rear glass finish. Fans are eager to see more detailed specs about the chipset, cameras, and battery performance in the days leading up to the official unveiling. On paper, the King Kong Guarantee appears to be a standout feature of the upcoming Redmi Note 14 Pro and Pro Plus. It adds value in areas that matter: battery longevity, accidental damage protection, and straightforward hardware replacement, while giving users the flexibility to opt in or stick with the standard warranty. Ultimately, it'll be up to each customer to determine if the extra cost for peace of mind is worthwhile. With Xiaomi continuing to blur the lines between mid-range and premium offerings, the Redmi Note 14 Pro series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases this fall. Whether you're Team King Kong or Team Standard Warranty, the upcoming launch promises something for everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.